Hi, my name is Simon Labrec. I'm Vice President of Product Development for Industry Orkan. Industry Orkan is a Canadian-based manufacturer of HEPA filtration air purifier. So first of all, we know how to clean hair for many years. There's four basic principles, and those basic principles are very important. The first one, and I'm sure everybody will understand, is ventilation. Ventilation means replacing the air, bringing fresh air into your room and exhausting stale air outside. So here we are in a real dental room, surgery room. This room is about 15 by 15 with a ceiling of 10 foot high. So that gives us roughly 2,000 cubic foot of air to ventilate. So if we talk about ventilation, it could be as basic as opening up a window. So in order to keep this room into a good air exchange rate, we want to have 10 air exchange per hour. You need roughly 200 cubic feet per minute. It could be very easily done with the window opening, or if you could not access to a window, you could even have like a pipe that is located in your room that will suck 200 cubic feet of air from this room and exhaust that outside. So when we talk about exhausting air outside, it's basically just piercing your ceiling or your roof or your wall. Here we see a different way of piercing the wall. You could use a louver, an air louver, or a wall cap. Very important is just to make sure that this louver or wall cap use the right diameter. If the machine exhausts with the 8-inch pipe, it's important that you use a real 8-inch pipe wall cap. You see this one up? This one is just 5-inch or 6-inch, so just make sure you use the right diameter. So the second principle is called directing the air. Some people call it positive pressure or negative pressure, but think of it about how could we direct the air to us from a certain area to another area. So let's say you want to create a very nice environment and you want to exhale contaminated air outside. You want to create a negative pressure. So you want to exhale more air out than how many air you're bringing into your room. Okay, so the goal of using a ventilation system to replace the air, we're talking very replacing the air, not just recirculate the same air, is to create a path where the air will enter and exit the room. So if you're lucky enough to have a closed door room, you could basically just use your exhaust system, create a path from the entry of your room through the exhaust of your system. And once you close the door, you should actually feel some kind of air re-entering into your room. That means you create a good negative pressure. That's what you want to do, is create a negative pressure into your room.